Hey everyone, Jim from Black Lion Sabers with another video. This time doing something a little different because this isn't a commission and it's also not a hilt that I'm keeping for myself. It's one that I did to sell. So after this video goes up, this hilt will be on sale to whoever wants to buy it first. Information about the sale will be on the Black Lion Sabers Facebook page. So head there to check it out. Link will be in the description down below. Also, I have a new webcam, so yay! Anyway, let's show off the hilt. It is a Ray Jedi Training Black Series hilt that I just finished converting today. Started it this morning and finished it up this afternoon. Had a lot of modifications to this to get it, as accurate as I could for a Black Series hilt. It has a couple upgrades from the Graflex Shop, including the smoked glass eye here that has been grinded down the edge here for the bare brass to show. See if I can get that working there. There we go. Also has a red button thumb screw here from the Graflex Shop, so it's a little more accurate than the one that shipped with the saber. Also got the contact pins here are from the custom saber shop, so they've replaced the original Black Series ones. Let's see what else. I kept the clamp card here and did a modification to the switch holder because originally you have to push up and down on the clamp card here to get it to turn on. And that latching style switch doesn't work with the soundboard that I put in here, which is the Nano Biscotte. So I designed, I took this piece that was in the original one and took some measurements off of it and designed a new one, except I modified it to hold a momentary switch right in there. So now you just press on this right about here, and it will turn the saber on for you. So right now, I don't believe it's in deep sleep, but I'll show you a little bit more about the hilt before we actually turn it on. So that's one of the, I guess, modifications necessary for the Nano Biscotte build. Other things I added was a Kobold D-ring down here for accuracy's sake, is with the rivets on there. I think about all I did on the outside besides painting the blade holder black in there. So let's unscrew and I can show you the chassis. So the inside of this is very similar to the Anakin Master Replicas conversion that I did a few months ago. But instead of having the recharge port on the outside, it is right. Turn it the right way. Right there. So, recharge port here, Nano Biscotte V4 here, and the reason that there are holes right here is so that the sound can come out because the speaker is situated further back in the hilt. It's a Saber Essentials 28mm bass speaker, and those are black, so you can't really see it unless it's hard to see in there. Anyway, it's situated between the Nano Biscotte and the battery. So in order to recharge your saber, unscrew the pommel cap, get a 2.1mm charger, and plug it in, and that's it. Also, nice thing about this chassis is that the SD card is right here and ready to be unplugged if you want to change any of the fonts on here. There are 4 fonts, only 3 will work though, but the 4th is there in case you want to change it to be active. Anyway, the 4 fonts are, I guess the 3 active ones are Graflex VII from Shameen, Graflex IV, I believe from Juan Sith, and Space Puffin from Shameen as well. So Got a Force Awakens Graflex, Episode 4, A New Hope Graflex, and the Porgs, because that's super fun. But anyway, yeah, when you screw the pommel back on here, just make sure that the Kobold clip is lined up with this grip that's in line with the clamp, or the activation box. Yeah, I had to do some modifying to that pommel cap to get it to line up correctly, but it works, so it's all good. And it's got vented for sound here. That's stock from the Black Series hilt. So anyway, also has a blade plug here, spring-loaded. That's fun. All right, let's fire this up. I believe Graflex VII is first, so. Got your swings, that nice ignition. Have a two blue, this is a Tri-Cree LED. It's blue, blue, white, so two blue LEDs light up the blade, and then white for flash on clash. Alright, that'll probably show a little bit better once I get the blade in here. So, anyway, yeah. Let me go ahead and put that blade in here so we can demo the fonts on here. Alright, in order to take the blade plug out, do not unscrew the glass eye, do not unscrew the red button here, do not unscrew this screw here. There's a small, there you can see it, there's a small grub screw right there. Right there. So that is what's used for blade retention. Put your Allen key in there, and then the blade plug should slide out. There we go. And what's great about this is that when it goes up for sale, it will include a Vader's Vault 1-inch diameter 36 length blade. So basically this saber is ready to go right when you get it. It will include the blade. The only thing that you'll need to get is a charger. Anyway, let's tighten that up. Okay. Now the blade is secure by tightening the grub screw and light it up.
That lightsaber was Luke's.
That's gonna boot.
And his father's before him, and now he calls to you.
There we go. So like I said, blue. White flash and clash. Let me turn up the light, maybe it'll show a little bit better. Okay. So you got blue right here. There's flash on clash. And now it's super dark. Let's not do that. Okay. Let's turn that light on. Okay. Now, to advance fonts on the Nano Biscotte, hold down the power button until 2 beeps. If you only do 1 beep, that's mute mode, so we'll do that. So mute mode there. Okay. Now 2 beeps will change the font. Okay. And release. This is Graflex 4. There we go. And 2 beeps. Now we're at porgs. So yeah, every time you swing, it's going to be a porg noise. Every time you hit the clash, porg noise. And when you retract, it's Chewie and the porgs. So yeah, cool. So those are the 3 fonts. The third font is Graflex III, so a Revenge of the Sith Anakin font. That one you can activate by changing one of the other ones to, change it from being bank to 1, 2, or 3 to bank. Well, then you would change Graflex 4 to, Graflex 3 to bank 1, 2, or 3. But anyway, that's all in the manual, which will be provided to whoever purchases this saber. Once again, link for the sale is going to be in the description. So head to the Facebook page if you're interested. It is a perfect saber for a cosplayer. It's duel ready too, so can take a beating. Really good for trooping as Rey or Finn or whomever. Paddle wheels the Graflex. So thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for some more install videos. Hopefully get another personal project done here soon. And just as a reminder, not taking any commissions until early next year. Profit V2 2.2s are in soon too. Got my tracking number. So that's fun. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. May the Force be with you and Grep it sa.